The following video is a MYFORD manual cylindrical grinder. This unit is an MG12, new 1997. It also has an ID attachment. We're going to run a brief video demonstration today.
I'll just reach across and we'll turn on the workhead first so you can see that operating. There's a variable speed, obviously. We'll go over here, we'll do the ID. See that running? We'll switch over to the main head, main spindle. It's operating.
Lubrication pump. Pedal is on currently.
We'll run our axis in. Axis out. Cross feed.
This unit also has micro feeds. Again, this unit is a MG12 MYFORD cylindrical grinder.